Keep in mind, this may or may not be NSFW. Did I get those letters right?
What's that sound for?
Not safe for work.
Not safe for work.
This episode has a parental advisory and is rated T for totalizing. What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Rap Sesh. This week we are showcasing two amazing custom hood designs. We did some amazing custom hood designs with Glarb over in Florida.
Glarb and sauce.
This couple, they've been coming to us for a while now, and they're both obsessed with anime. The husband's car, we did a bunch of anime decals recently. There was a really cool special metallic print. We did a windshield banner for him as well. They're planning on doing some more little accents here and there. But they wanted.
He said he plans on doing the whole car in anime.
Oh my goodness! Don't tempt me with a good time. Don't say that. So really cool. The couple actually did it as an anniversary, an anime anniversary present. An anniversary to each other. So it's really cool. They like this show. It's an anime show called High School DxD, and they both have their character. One is Zenovia. Sorry if I botched this.
I don't know.
The other one is Ria Scrimori, which is the one we're doing today. So we did these custom designs with Glarb and printed it on our Muto 1624X eco-solvent printer on, I believe, Avery MPI 1105. That's usually our go-to. So we're gonna do a quick tutorial on how we do a printed hood install.
A little different.
Just a little bit different. Instead of us just like full pulling or corner pulling like we would color change, we have to kind of line things up.
A little flip-flop.
So we do the flip-flop. That's what we call it.
The flip-flop.
You have to do the action with it. All of our named things should have dance moves.
That's hard.
Okay. So we're gonna do the flip-flop.
The flip-flop.
We're gonna do the flip-flop method for this printed wrap today. So I guess let's just dive in and do a little explanation of how we start. So prep. What do we clean with?
Alcohol.
And water.
And water.
And then we do a clay bar treatment.
50-50 mix. Yeah, then we do our clay bar. Clay bar, wipe on, wipe off, you know.
Clay bar.
Wait, we do another.
What are we clay barring with? We got too fast.
Sorry.
Too much summary.
Start again.
So we do the clay bar with Superior Image Car Care's Showshine?
The pink stuff.
Showshine, the pink stuff. It's my favorite stuff. It smells like bubblegum, doesn't taste like bubblegum.
No.
We use that, and we'll either use an actual clay bar like putty, or we have a little pad that we use that's really nice.
Yeah, they make like mitts and pads and clay
things and stuff. And then
that's what we use to get most of the contaminants from outside off. You know, tree sap, bugs.
Yeah, it makes the surface a lot smoother. So we do that with like 95% of what we wrap. We do a clay bar treatment.
Yep.
Accurate.
Yeah, pretty close.
After that, we clean it again with an alcohol water mix to get that silicone spray off, because otherwise the wrap won't stick. That's a super important step. And then we get our print all situated, centered by measurement, you know, whatever, and we mark our edges with tape.
Yeah.
And those are our markers that you'll see us using. And then for this hood install, we're gonna put magnets down the center of the hood and just do the flip-flop. Flip-flop. We're gonna do the flip-flop method. Probably use our wrap pole somewhere in there.
Yeah. Wrap pole to keep the corner kind of helps out.
Yeah, because you don't have long arms.
Yeah, you don't have one longer arm.
We don't have Slender Man arms. Doesn't work.
It'd be really cool.
Yeah, and then we'll install as normal, and then we usually will lift the hood up and we'll take all the wrap around the edges and trim everything. We usually go to that first inseam line, so it's about a 1/2 inch under the hood. Usually corners or any areas that you feel are stressed, we'll go back and do a laminate strip.
Pin her down.
Pin her down. When in doubt, pin it out. That's a nice edge steel tape from Fellers. And then post heating, so important.
Post heated. You want to go around at least the edges with a nice flame or heat gun.
Seams.
And then we usually go over the surface with a steamer.
Steamy. We use a torch sometimes. For gloss, it gets a lot of the scratching out, but the easiest thing to do is the steamer. We have the pressure on demand
And
steamer.
you don't want to do matte with a torch.
No,
You don't want to post heat matte with a torch, because even if you don't look like you burned it, sometimes you can get little streaks in there. When you get it wet, you see them.
Yeah. So oftentimes you'll see us installing and post heating with torches.
Sometimes I do, but it's just.
But when it actually comes to like post heating hardcore, heat gun, IR heater, steamer for the surface, that gets a lot of the orange peels, the scratching out, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah. You'll usually never see us heat a matte surface.
Yeah.
With a torch.
Sometimes.
Just sometimes.
All right, let's do it. Swim.
Wait, this way?
Swimming.
Just give me, give me a try, give me a try, give me a try. Just give me, give me a try, give me a try, give me a try. Just give me, I can't deny I can't deny
Thanks everybody for watching this week. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. That is RapSeshAZ and Vinyl Vixen Raps. Please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe on our YouTube channel. Shout out to Glarb Designs and Muto on this one, and we will see you guys next week. Don't take my noise. This episode has a parental advisory and is rated T for totalizing.
Totalizing?
Totalizing.
These hoods
It
are
just came to me. It came to me. I went with it.
Oh, make sure you're centered.
Oh, there's a dream coming.
Oh,
Puppy dream.
Oh, puppy dreams. Oh, all right, you
What are we even talking about right now?
The thing.
He's dreaming. Look, he's running. Look at
Run, run, Thresh, run. Get him. You better stop. Stop. You're too much. Quit. I know.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, anyways. The other one is Rias Grimoire, which is the one we're doing today. He doesn't. I don't even know why I'm asking you.
I don't know their names.
Just say f***ing solar beam. You know?
What are we talking about?
The thing. We just did it.
Talking about the
The
talking
hood?
about the cartoon chick with the giant.
Let's start with the intro and say that this is rated T for tatas. Okay.
Do whatever you feel like, man.
Do whatever you feel like, man. Off topic.
Okay.
Okay, so where are we going with
We
this?
rewind back to the
No Pokemon references.